In 10 years, the global integrated photonics market is expected to grow from just over $20 billion to more than $86 billion. Some of the most advanced technologies in packaging, device design and assembly, and testing are ushering this technology into today's highest growth markets, and capital investment for integrated photonics is ramping up. You can learn the very latest about this expanding field by registering right now for the Photonics Spectra Integrated Photonics Summit 2026. The two-day virtual event runs from June 24th to the 25th, and registration is free. You'll hear from industry leaders from ficonTEC, Synopsys, Optiwave Systems, Aerotech, SENKO Advanced Components, Xscape Photonics, Polaris Electro-Optics, Lightmatter, Scintil Photonics, Photonics, Scia Systems, LIGENTEC, and the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Experts will shine the light on advancements in PIC design, optical interconnects, co-packaged optics, and scalable manufacturing strategies for next-gen data and AI infrastructure. It's also a chance for you to connect directly with our speakers during the summit to get your questions answered. So what are you waiting for? Go to photonics.com/IPS2026 to register now and learn more about our full lineup of presenters. You can also go to events.photonics.com for our full calendar of summits covering everything optics and photonics.